Yeah, I have two poker chips here, see? Black on one side, white on one side. Black on one side, see? Black on one side, white on the other side. So, here what? How about if we take the black one, the white underneath, and the white, black underneath. And what happens if we mix together the whole thing? And we get red, and black, right? So you get red and black on both sides. How about if we have the red, so red on this side, black on that side, right? So when we put red and the black together, we get green. Green side, red on this side. So you said it was black on the side, white on the other side. But was it really, you got blue, was it really black and white? But we in yellow.